To delete a page within a PDF file on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open My Files app and then navigate to the folder where the PDF file you like to delete one of its pages is in. Tap the PDF file to open it. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right. And then tap page sorter. Tap edit. Next, select the required page you like to delete. Tap delete icon at the bottom of the screen to delete the selected page. Once done, tap the page key and then tap save to save the change. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.